Erin, I've come to the house and I've cleaned up everything. I've swept up first, mopped up, cleaned everything as far as I could, mopped. I need to take out some more sand. Make sure the toilets are clean, the sink's clean. Found the food. I washed all the wares. I washed the cooker, is it a cooker? The hob down. The pots and pans, the rice, the chicken, and all that has been cleaned and turned over. Yeah, I can't think of anything else. I mopped the floor in here, sweep and mop the floor. In the other room, again, I did the same thing, cleaned out the bathroom and mopped and cleaned. Yeah, some water. Yeah, just to make sure I get down the sand that was left in there, but you're never going to get rid of everything. Yeah, I'm just making sure you don't get any charges or anything. Yeah. Oh. Airbnb in. Yeah, I think that's it. I can lock up now, and I'm taking all this stuff here. I'm not sure whose towel that is, that pineapple towel. I'm pretty sure these are theirs. So I've left them over there. That little one I'm sure is mine. Other than that, all right, bye.